Well, I was about to walk out, and I come out to this.
Attention. There has been an emergency reported in the building.
Well then.
While this report is being verified,
It's his fault.
leave
It's
the
his fault.
building immediately using market
All right.
stairways
Well,
and
let's make sure everybody's out.
elevators.
Let's check the production rooms. Anybody in here? Okay, production rooms are clear. Let's check the kitchens, studios.
I see you looked in the freezer because you left the door open.
Ha!
Attention.
Can you make sure it's an auto?
Yeah. Let's make sure the automation system is in auto. And it is in automatic. All right. I'm on the radio. Let's go clear the other side. Everybody's out of there. I would not go out that way. You're out of there? Okay. Let's go check to make sure Chad's out of the office there. Anybody in here? Hello? Let's check my office. All right. I might as well grab my sunglasses while I'm here. Suite 500 is clear and our office is clear.
All right, it's working, buddy.
Okay, looks like people just walked out of Suite 500 because they walked into it.
Oh, boy. Any idea what it is yet?
No, not yet. I'm going to move over to the security channel here in a moment.
All right.
While this report is being verified, please leave the building
Security
immediately
1.
using market stairways and exits. Do not use elevators.
All right. Hey, look, the fire doors work. That's cool. So the fans at the top of the stairwell are running. Try to, yeah.
Do we know what happened?
Not yet. We're gonna go find out. We're gonna go down to the fire control panel and see what that says.
Oh, yay.
Logo designation.
Using market stairways and exits. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
After you. Esther and I are coming out of the stairwell.
Okay, thanks.
All right, let's see. Hey,
Hey,
what's up?
it's the 6th floor.
Yeah, sixth floor, but
It's them.
so just reset it. You want me to?
So are we good saying we're all clear? I mean, maybe you can still do your break. Let's go.
Or what was it?
You sure, Renee? There's plenty of room.
We're all going to the 5th floor.
Fifth floor?
K-Wave Express elevator.
Crashing to the ground. I'll finish it.
No, that's not
The
gonna
other
happen.
elevator
control.
that's
No,
quite okay.
we'll just be stuck in here for like 10 hours.
Oh, Lord.
Only 10 hours?
Push, just push.
I did. Oh, without twisting.
Push.